Hey there, guess what? I've got this killer topic for our website that will really help you get an edge over anyone trying to engage with a bot. Imagine diving deep into the nuts and bolts of managing topics in Power Virtual Agents, and I'll show you how to make your virtual assistant not just smart, but downright brilliant. Let's kick things off with some background. As Power Virtual Agents have become essential business tools, managing topics efficiently is key to stellar performance. This goes beyond simply adding topics. You want precision, top-notch interactions, and a system that's more intuitive than ever. Picture this: as we chat about how to master topic management, you'll find yourself navigating a sea of tools, best practices, and enterprise-ready tactics. First off, we're zeroing in on creating topics. Remember, when you're crafting a conversation, it's like setting the stage for a play. You want diverse, robust topics that cover common user paths like customer service inquiries, product searches, or even entertainment chats. I'll lead you through setting up these topics in the most user-friendly way to avoid frustrating delays and misinterpretations. It's about making topics not just a list but a conversation catalyst. But hey, creating topics is cool, but what's the real deal is managing changes. Businesses change, and so do their needs. We'll talk about adapting these topics without causing too much of a stir. Keep an eye out for techniques like using dynamic templates and setting up notifications for when it's time to revamp. We can't ignore the power of monitoring, my friend. It's crucial to keep tabs on your topic's performance. We'll delve into tracking successful interactions versus misfires and how to analyze this data to refine your topics ever so cleverly. Besides, troubleshooting is no walk in the park. But fear not, because I'll guide you through the maze of resolving issues where the bot might lose its cool under pressure. From error logs to common sticking points, you'll master every fix with style. Love the sound of this guide. Awesome, but it's not just about me, it's also about you. How you put this knowledge to work is epic. Best practices we'll cover can take your topic management to enterprise grade, making your bot not just perform but outshine others in their own unique way. And hey, I'll sprinkle in SEO tips to ensure your blog post is found by the right crowd, hunting for wisdom in mastering Power Virtual Agents. Now brace yourself, because by the end of this, you'll feel like the wizard of bot management. And guess what? I've got the perfect place to channel your freshly honed expertise. Make sure to drop by my YouTube channel, neeraj.qzz.io. Don't forget to hit subscribe, team up with TechLab, and let's change the game for virtual assistants. Let's transform the digital landscape one topic at a time.